Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another ultimate review by PureCast9. In today's episode, I'm going to give you my impressions and review of the Zoook Infra Temp. So this is an infrared thermometer by Zoook. And yes, it's that little plastic gun that whenever right now, amidst this lockdown, whenever you're going out to buy groceries or your essentials, whenever you see someone pointing this plastic gun at you, that is a thermometer. And it's non-contact, it's fast, it's accurate. Zook's Infra Temp is something I've been using for the past couple of days and I really like it. So before I give you my verdict on how it's really helpful to have in your house, let's go through some of the specs that the Zoook Infra Temp offers. So it is an infrared thermometer, but the infrared sensor it uses is a Japanese IR sensor, basically a very good quality medical grade sensor. So very low error margins, so gives you accurate temperature readings each and every time. Now it's just got one button for you to maneuver everything you're going to do. It's got a large LCD display that is very easily visible in the dark, and the menu system navigation is quite easy because there's just one button and there's not a lot of things that you can play around with. You can, however, change the unit in which you want to see the results, whether it's degrees Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius. You can change whether you want to measure the temperature of the body, someone's temperature, or you want to check the temperature of an object, such as if you're serving water to your child, you want to make sure the temperature of water is just right, or if it's too hot, you can check that. So these are some things which until you have it, you didn't know that you always needed it. Now, apart from this, one of the very useful features is that it'll let you know whether your body temperature is below normal, or you have fever or really above normal by changing the color of the LCD screen. So it's got 3 different colors, and based on the temperature measurement, it'll let you know. And it's got a fever alarm, so it beeps each time you check, and if there is fever, it'll let you know. So it's audible and it's visible, so very clear there. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that when you are checking the temperature of objects in object mode, make sure that you are checking the temperature of the surface of an object. There are many out there who don't know this and they directly aim it at the water or the liquid or the beverage, and they get no reading and think there is something wrong. But that's not the case. You're supposed to aim it at the surface of the container and not the thing itself. Reading takes it's just a second. I mean, you just point it at the forehead and keep it around 3 to 5 centimeters away and just press the button, you hear a beep, and the reading is there. And just to be sure, you can take 2 or 3 readings and take an average, and it keeps a log of the last 30 temperature measurements. So if you ever want to go back and see, you can have a look at that. So all in all, the build, the ease of use, everything is really easy, and I highly recommend this because you never knew that you needed this till you use this. I mean, the fact that you can take a temperature so fast, and trust me, taking temperatures of children, especially with these mercury thermometers, these glass thermometers, can be risky. I mean, regardless of where you put the thermometer, I mean, if they're fidgeting, it's really difficult. And with this non-contact thermometer, just from a distance, just takes 1 second and gives you the reading. Really convenient there, and also really convenient to check temperatures of objects, or if you're in everyday cooking as well, it's really useful. So, do I recommend this? Definitely I do. There are far more expensive ones out there, but in that 3,500 rupee range, the Zoook Infra Temp is definitely something you should keep in your household. Not just because we are amid this virus outbreak, it is something that every household should have because it makes life really easy, and it's something that is sort of future-proof as well. So the link to the Zoook Infra Temp will be in the description below. I would really appreciate that if you do decide to get this, and I really recommend that you do, please use that link. It will help me run this channel and I can produce more quality content just for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit like on the way out, subscribe to PureCast9, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.